Oh, welcome to my man cave. It's not the biggest, it's not the smallest, it certainly does for me. And my wood and sawdust burner, proverbial pen blanks, bits and pieces, and what I now call my painting and polishing lathe for when I start doing a bit. So, the tools I have, air cleaner, that's my new baby. My original handmade Aerofoils tools. Oh, excuse kids in America, let's turn that off for a minute. And started getting a selection of Hampshire Sheen products. Outlook on life here. One of my little firewood piles. Chiller. And my pen lathe. Sit down to do. Cheap old Aldi drill, absolutely amazing for what it costs. That's the small bandsaw. This is all my pen making equipment, kits, stuff like that. Ordered direct from China. The usual bits and pieces. Workbench. Thingy, the CNC thingy that I've never managed to get working yet. Under there is a little tiny saw for doing segmenting, if I ever get round to it again. Well, bench saw and a thicknesser planer, and on the inside there's my couple of old lathes that I used to have set up. I shall probably get rid of. Round a table that gets very little use. There's my bigger bandsaw and sander. Pro Edge sander. Another drill. And a sander. Curtains up. Shower curtains up. Every single space that I can use is utilised in this workshop. It's 18 foot by 12. It was a garage for when I used to do a bit of banger racing and mechanics. There's a television sat up there, there's a computer sat there. So that's my workshop.